So whenever you have to do rearrangement, what you have to do, you have to apply the formula and solve the question. But we should know the logic by what it's taking place. Okay, I'm not doing more questions. You can do from the material. It will be more than enough. Concept was that much only. Now, the next, give the heading, all of you. Grouping. It's one of the important, for the school point of view, it's not there. Means for the students who's in the 11th class, 12th class, for the schooling is not there. It's one of the application of permutation combination. We are going to use it very frequently, especially in the probability chapter. We use this logic. Grouping and distribution. Correct wording is that, ki grouping and distribution. We can change it. Grouping and distribution. Distribution. What actually this topic? We have to distribute the object, or we have to make the groups. These two are different things. When I say that ki, I'm going to form the group, and another things I'm going to say that ki, I'm going to distribute the object. These two are totally different things. Let me explain first what exactly we are trying to do. After that only I will come to the formulas and all those things. Suppose if I say I have the 5 gold coin, let's say 1, 2, 3 different 4, 5 gold coins I am having, right? If I say that key, can I make 2 group? Yes, you can make it. In one group you can make 1 and 2 coins you can keep it, and other group you can keep another 3 coins, 3, 4, 5. Or you can make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, or you can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Something like grouping in the sense that something objects is there, you put your hand and separate it. Like suppose some vegetables you're having, you want to make it the 2 part of that. What do? We put our hand like this, and then we do this way. The moment when you do this way, the one part will go this side, one part will go there. This is the one group and this is the another group. It does not matter that how you are in each group, how many objects is going to come, because although it's a gold coin, it's a matter a lot. Be clear. There is nothing like box or something. It's just imaginary. It's kept like this. On the table, we kept 2 coins here and 3 coins here. That's all. This is the group. One way of the grouping is done. It does not matter that which one you are writing, first group you are writing this one, or first group you are writing this one. It does not mean arrangement of the group is not going to be matter. It's just grouping we did. Did you understand? Now, imagine there are 2 persons who want to take this group. Now it's matter. Who will get this 2 gold coin and who will get this 3 gold coin? That's make a huge difference. So now it's a matter that who is going to get this group and who is going to get this group. Now if I say that in how many way I can distribute this 5 gold coin into these 2 people, then it's a matter one group coming to this guy and one group is coming to this guy. It's very much important here, because there is another possibility 2 coin he is getting and 3 coin other he is getting. But if these 2 people are not there and you make the group, you keep like this way or you kept like this way, is there any difference? No. On the table, how you are keeping this group, it is not going to be matter. But when the person is there to receive the group, that is what it matter. And that's what called as the distribution. This is the major difference between the grouping and distribution. When we say grouping, it means order is not going to be matter. When I am saying distribution, order is very much matter. Is this clear? This is the main point which you have to understand in this particular topic. Rest is the very simple. If this is not clear, then you cannot understand what is the meaning of when we have to do grouping, when we have to do distribution. A simple, easy language you can easily understand that whenever there is a human to receive the group, order is important. And whenever nobody is there to receive the group, order is not important. So as a note, you can mention, whenever there is human to receive the group, there is human to receive the group, then order is important. Order is important. Else, order not important. Order not important. Is it clear? Now, whenever we do grouping, two situations. One is that size is predefined. Size is predefined. Means size is predefined. कि भाई 5 coin I have to make 2 group. One group should contain 2 object. Other group, one group should contain 2 coin, and other group should contain 3 coin. This is called as the size is predefined. कि which group will get how many object. That is, if it's already known, we say that ki size is predefined. Second situation, size is not predefined. Size is not predefined. Not predefined. What is the meaning? Suppose somebody say, I'm having 5 coin, gold coin, and I want to make 2 group. Simply I mention. I make 2 group. I'm just taking 2 container, imaginary. There is no container, be clear. I want to make 2 group. So there is so many possibility. Maybe this get 1 coin, this get 4 coin. Because size is not mentioned. Which one will get how many? Maybe this will get 2 object, this will get 3 object. Are you getting? Same way in case of distribution also will take place. Suppose there are 2 person, I want to distribute this 5 object into these 2 person. This is the one statement. Other statement I can say, in how many way I can distribute 5 coin into 2 people so that one person get 2 object, other person is get 3 object. So this distribution size is predefined. If I simply say distribute 5 coin to these 2 guys, nothing else mentioned, it means size is not predefined. There may be chance कि one person get all 5 coin, other person get 0 coin. There may be chance कि one person get 1 coin, other person get 4 coin. So all these possibilities can take place. So that is called as the size is not predefined. So these two situations we are going to discuss. First, I will talk about that कि size is predefined. So I hope all of you wrote it. Going further and give the heading. Grouping when size is predefined. When size is predefined. See, 3-4 cases is there. First things, you should not memorize something like that. Okay, this is the formula. There is no formula. It's everything you have to understand logically. I can give you as a formula also, but that is the waste. You will forget after some times. So it's better to understand what exactly. Imagine, suppose if I'm saying, I'm having 5 identical objects. Identical. 6 identical. Chalo, 6 identical objects. I want to make a group of 2 and 4 objects. I want to make that group of 2 and 4 object. 2 group I want to be. Correct? 6 identical object. I want to make a group of 2 group. One group should contain 2 object, other group should contain 4 object. Forget permutation combination, forget mathematics, common sense use it. How many way you can make 2 group? 5 identical objects are there. You have to think. How many way 2 group you can make it? practically think. If you use P and C or think mathematics, then you will not give the answer. You have to tell the answers by using logic. Don't apply mathematics, otherwise you will fail. Without mathematics, suppose somebody saying that there are 6 tomato which you are using at home, equal sized tomato is there. Okay, your mother says that okay, I have to make curry, just make 2 group of that, distribute we have to make 2 group of this. So how will you make? Is there so many possibility or one possibility? All are equal tomato, same size tomato. One way. There is no other way, only one way. Simply I made it. I just put my hand in between. Here, 2 group is ready. One is this, another is this. Any other possibility? Think. No other possibility. Bhai, all are equal. All are same thing. Okay, let me explain by other way. A. 6 A letter are there. I want to make 2 group. One group should contain 2 objects, other group should contain 4 objects. How will you move? Take your hand, put somewhere. I put my hand like this. Group is ready. Group is ready or not? No other option. Now you cannot say, sir, you can put the hand here also. If you put the hand here, then also it's the same thing. Only thing is that here 4 objects, here 2 objects, because order is not going to be matter. Did you understand? So if objects are identical, then answer will be 1. If objects are identical, then answer equal to 1. All of you understand how I said that the answer will be 1. Is it clear to everybody? Okay. Now, next point, write it. Number of ways to distribute n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on nm objects, different objects. All are different. This is not that n1 n2 which I used to say n1 is the first kind of identical. No, all are different, because identical we discuss. Different objects into m groups, so that ith group get ni objects. What is the meaning I am trying to tell? Means first group should contain n1 object, second group contains n2 object, third group n3 object, and so on. Mth group should contain nm objects. This is what we have to do, distribution. 2 situations. One is that if order not important. Order not important. That means simply we are doing grouping. Second case, if order is important. Order is important. That means we are making grouping and someone is there to receive the group also. Is it clear? We will write answer later. First, let's understand what is the mean. Suppose I say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. कितने letter हो गया? 3, 3, 4. 8 letters. 8 different objects I am having. 8 different objects. I want to make a group of 2, 3, 2, 4 नहीं 2 3 और कितने 8 है ना 8 2 3 एक और ले लो I 4. I want to make a group of 3 group. First group should contain 2 objects, second group should contain 3 objects, and third group should contain 4 objects. Carefully listen what I am doing. I have to form the group by. If I have to form the group, okay, what I will do, first I will select 2 objects. First group I am going to form. How many objects are there total? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 objects. I have to make this group. Let's process, normal process. I have to form the group. The first group I am going to form. In how many way I can form? 9C2. And now second group. When I am going to form the second group, now I am having only 7 objects. Because 2 group already gone in that container, 1 box. So 7C3 and balance how many objects? By 2, 3, 5 objects gone, 4 objects left. Third group actually automatically will form. Third group automatically will form. By whatever balance, that is the third group. This is what the grouping has been done. This is simply grouping. We didn't do distribution. We just make 2 objects, kept 2 objects. Make 3 objects, then kept 3 objects. And we take 4 objects and we take in 4 objects. Kept it. That's all. How we kept does not matter. Means order of this keeping is not going to matter. Yes or no? If I am saying order is also important, somebody is there to receive the group. So what do you say? Into 3 factorial. Why into 3 factorial? By 3 group is there, no? So 3 group in how many way you can arrange? In 3 factorial. Not getting my point. This is the one way I have keeping, grouping I made it. Other possibility, I will say that if the order is not important, this is what the answer. If you say, sir, this way also can be happen, ki 3 object here, 1 group here, and third group here. Yes, but these 2 will be considered as the same grouping till the time somebody is not there to receive the group. Means if order is important, then this and this grouping will be called as a different, because this will be getting somebody else and this will be getting somebody else. Did you understand the point? So if order is important, so into we have to multiply by number of group factorial. Why? Because now this will act as an object. There are 3 objects. We have to arrange them also. In how many way we can arrange 3 factorial. Did you understand the point? Or is it clear or not? So, if you notice, if I will try to expand this one, forget this grouping important. Only grouping thing. 9C2 is how much? 9 factorial by 7 factorial into 2 factorial into 7 factorial by 4 factorial 3 factorial into 4 factorial by 0 factorial 4 factorial. Yes or no? If you notice, 7 factorial get cancelled, 4 factorial get cancelled, and we are going to get 9 factorial by 2 factorial 3 factorial 4 factorial. 9 factorial. These are for the simply for grouping. 9 factorial by 2 factorial 3 factorial 4 factorial. This we can keep in the standard way of making. What? If you have to make the group of some group object, the total number of object factorial divided by first group object factorial, second group object factorial, third group object factorial. It will be easy for to remembering. If I say I have to make the 10 object into through group 2, 3, 5. Simply order not important. So I'll say 10 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. When order is not important. Order important means somebody is there to receive the group into 3 factorial. All of you able to understand the point? This is what the situation will be there. Look carefully. Number of way to distribute this different object into M group so that every group get different object तो first case answer easily you can tell n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus so on nm factorial divided by n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial. Are you able to understand? n3 factorial, so on nm factorial. But how this is coming, can you understand or not? This cn1 into this n2 plus n2 to nm cn2, like that. Correct? This is when order not important. If order important, what will happen? Same thing. Same thing. Order important, same thing. Why? Order important means somebody is there to receive the group. If somebody is there to receive the group, then also we have to do grouping. Grouping will be done this way. But into what will be? M factorial. Because now M groups can be rearranged in the M factorial way. I'm sure you're able to understand all of you. Are you getting confused? Now it's time to make you confused. चलिए. Suppose I am having 4 objects A, B, C, D. I want to make two group. How many group? 2 group. So that one group contain 1 object, other group contain 3 object. One group contain 1 object, other group contain 3 object. Order is not important. Can we do oral? Yes. 4 factorial by 1 factorial, 3 factorial, and that will be equal to 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. This get cancelled. Answer 4. Yes or no? Or is it clear? Let's do manually understand what actually happening. That also we should understand. I have to make 2 group of 1 object and 3 object. So first I will make first group. How many way I can make first group? 4C1 into second group automatically form. 3 object, 3 we have to select. This is the form. So that's why 4 is coming. Okay. Can we do more manually? Yes. Let's do properly without mathematics. I have to make the 2 group. 1 group contain 1 object, other group contain 3 object. So first I am going to make the first group A. Suppose A I make it. First group contain only 1 letter A. So second group can contain what? B, C, D. Yes or no? No other possibility. So we got the grouping. Let's write properly. B, C, D. Or other possibility कि first group contain letter B and second group contain A, C, D. भाई B you taken, तो balance is the A, C, D. Third group contains C object and this one will be what? B, C, D. Sorry, B, A, D. D and this one contain what? ABC. Any other possibility? No possibility because ABCD all cases we consider. And 4 answer from here also correct, from here also correct, from here also correct. Perfect. There is no problem at all. The problem is where? Problem is there. And what is the problem? Let me explain. A, B, C, D. Now this time I want to make 2 group, 2 and 2. Hello. Each group contain how many object? 2 object. Let's do manually. So I will say 4 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Order not important. So we'll get 424 divided by 4. That will be 6. Yes or no? Let's go by other way. So I'll say 4C2 into 2C2. Perfect. Both answer matching. Let's do more manual. Let's do the more manual. What are the possibility? A, first group contain AB, AB. Other group contain CD. Next, AC. Other group contain BD. One group contain AD. Other group contain BC. One group contain BC. Other group contain AD. One group contain BD. Other group contain AC. One group contain CD. Other group contain AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 got it. Here also answer matching. Are you correct or not? Anything strange you are finding? Your brain should be in working condition. I did totally manually. You are not able to find. ABCD. Yes. ABCD. Watch it. ABCD here and this. This is matching with this. Both are same thing because order is not important, na? So how can you arrange? First one is that I made the two group of AB and CD. Second one is I made the two group of CD and AB. Both are same thing. Not getting my point. Both are same thing. Because order not important. AC and BD is same as this. BC and AD is same as this. In fact, what will be answer? Answer will be only 3. How many possibility? Only 3 possibility will be there. 6 possibility will not be there. This is what the answer I wrote it. That is very much wrong. 6 will not be there. Only 3 will be there. Why 3 is happening? Why this problem is happening? Let's understand. Because you are doing equal grouping, equal number of objects. The moment when you do 4C2, it's consider all the possibility of AB, AC, BD, 4C2 means what? AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Total possibilities has been covered. Did you understand the point? Now again you are doing the same thing 4C2 when you did. So when you consider AB, so CD automatically other will be there, balance one. So again CD you are considering, so BD will come, AB will come, and those two will be same. Those two will be same. So this problem will happen. Why this problem happening? Whenever there is the equal number of selection you are doing, this problem always will happen. If you try to recall, one example I already given you. If suppose there are 4 different objects A, B, C, D, I have to select 2 objects. So you cannot do 4C1 into 3C1. Because this answer will come. I give an example. No? If you have to select 2 objects, directly you have to say answer 4C2. If you say no sir, let's take one by one, then you will get the double answer because there is a repetition. So this problem why didn't come when the previous question we did? Because there was the unequal grouping was there. It was unequal grouping. Unequal, no problem. Because whatever the previous is coming, other will be totally different. They cannot be matched. Here, see problem what happening? This become this and this become this. If they are having different number of objects, then this cannot be become this and this cannot be become this. This situation will not come. Are you able to understand the point what I am saying? Here what happening? They are swapping their position and we are getting different. If they are the different, here suppose 3 objects, here suppose 2 objects, they cannot swap their position. So that problem will not come. So if you have to select some certain objects from the given number of objects, you cannot do the partially breaking ways NCR formula you cannot apply if they are the equal number you are doing. Here problem happening because you are selecting through one object, then you are selecting one object, equal number of. So, always remember, this is we are doing for unequal grouping. That's why I mention N1 plus N2 plus N3. Means this condition, that condition you can apply only if they are the two group does not have the same number of objects. If two or more than two groups having same number of objects, then 100% sure whatever answer you are writing, that will be more than what require answer, because there will be repetition. Something going in the mind? Are you able to understand? It's not only for grouping. Always remember, when you select, I select two objects, then again I select two objects, then again I select two objects. So 100% you are doing mistakes, because the repetition is going to take place. So what will happen? What is the solution of this? Let's understand and try to think about solution general, not for grouping only, in general. If you have to select two objects out of four objects, and I want to do one by one. Means first I will select one object, then next object I will select again balance one. I want to do by that method only, but I want correct answer. I want to remove the repetition. Yes, let's try to think and try to find it out the solution of this. So that in future anytime I can apply this logic separate, and without fear it will become mistake. It should be correct in that case also. All of you understood the problem, no? What exactly problem is happening? Because we don't have any other option to do NCR. We have to do NCR. And we know that when we will do NCR for the equal grouping, mistake will happen. So some solution we should find it out, we can apply NCR also, and mistakes also should not take place. This is what the purpose of this. Look carefully, everybody. A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm sorry. 6 object is there. I want to make the 3 group. I want to make the 3 group equal grouping, 2 object. You'll say, sir, I will get AB, AC, AD and so on. Like this. When you say AB, automatically there is the other possibility will happen is CD. And CD, the next probability will be EF. Then, but in AB, other possibility also can be happen EF. And balance will be CD. Although all these two are same thing, only arrangement has been done. Are you able to understand? So in fact, whenever you are doing the selection by the split white, little bit difficulty will be there. Please listen carefully. In 2-3 minutes you will understand. Whenever you are going to select equal grouping you are going to do, so always remember there will be repetition. If anybody asks you how many repetition will take place, so I will say always m factorial repetition will take place. What is the meaning of m factorial? You are going to do 2, 2, 2. So what is the problem will happen? Problem, try to understand. What is the problem happening? They can interchange their position. They can interchange. In how many ways they can interchange the position? 3 factorial. When we did ABCD, what problem was happened? Please listen carefully. AB and CD one option was there, and CD and AB CD and AB another option was there. AB and CD one option, other option CD and AB. Why this problem happened? Because they interchange their position. Not getting my point. So, how many ways they can interchange their position? 2 factorial. Simple. If I say A, B, C, D, E, F, I want to do 2, 2, 2, 2. So, in how many ways they can do interchange? By AB can interchange with the CD, CD can interchange with the E, means these three can interchange with themselves. So in how many ways they can interchange? 3 factorial. Yes or no? Think carefully, you have to answer me. Suppose there are A, B, C, D, E, F. I want to make two group, 3 object. In how many ways they can interchange? In how many ways they can interchange? One group this, one group this. Only 2 factorial. They can interchange in how many ways? 2 factorial. By this can go here and this can come here. That's only things will be happen. That is what is called as the problem. Yes or no? So what we will do by our normal way only, but if there is a repetition, we'll divide by that. And how many repetition can be happen? When repetition will happen? When the equal grouping. When you are doing equal grouping, then that many number of factorial I will divide it. Because that is the internal arrangement. Internal arrangement we generally multiply. To here what we do? Divide to remove the internal arrangement. Could not understand. Let me explain by the example so that you can easily understand. Suppose somebody say, I want to make 2 group of A, B, C, D. We go by normal way. 4C2 into 2C2. But I know that equal grouping they can interchange. 2 group is there. They can interchange in how many way? By 2 factorial. It will give you 100% correct answer. Why sir divided by 2 factorial? Because this is the internal arrangement. Internal arrangement generally to get the internal arrangement we will multiply. To remove the internal arrangement we will divide. By 2 factorial this will give you perfectly correct answer. There is no problem at all. All of you understand the point? If I say I am having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. कितने हो गए? 2, 4, 6, 8. I want to make the 4 group. I want to make the 4 groups equal grouping. So one group this, another this, another this, another this. So what will do? 8C2 into 6C2 into 4C2 into 2C2 divided by, speak out everybody, 4 factorial. Simple. Because these 4 people can interchange themselves. Yes or no? Or simply you can write directly. If you say, sir, I will not use NCR formula, I will use that logic formula. Which logic? There are total 8 objects to 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial second group into third group into fourth group. Whole divided by 1. To Subhita. I don't know. Are you able to understand the problem? Is it clear to everybody? Perfect. So let's write our next point, which directly you can give the answers. Write it down. Number of grouping of mn objects, m into n different objects, into m equal groups. First, there are 2 options will be there. If order is not important. Second case, if order is important. Okay, listen me. First case, if order is not important. I will do by normal way. Mn total number of object factorial divided by first group object factorial into second group object factorial into third group object factorial and so on. How many groups are there? M groups. Each group contain how many objects? N object. So n factorial into n factorial into n factorial, how many time? M time. So n factorial power m. But I know this is the wrong answer. Hello. I know this is the wrong answer. So divided by m factorial, because the m groups are there, they can interchange. Is this clear to everybody? Yes or no? This is the which case? When the order is not important. If order important, what? Same answer. But only thing we have to do arrangement. We have to do arrangement also. Okay. So into how many groups are there? M group. In M group can arrange themselves in how many way? M factorial. So M factorial, bye bye, and this will be answer. In your material and books, this will be direct answer. This way it will be given. But you have to understand what actually the difference. So unequal grouping method cannot be applied for the equal grouping, and equal grouping method we cannot apply for the unequal grouping because the basic funda is mistake. Because we don't have any other option apart from the NCR, and NCR always fail if you do splitwise selection. And if it's an equal selection you are doing, so surely repetition will take place, and this is the solution of repetition. If you want to remove the repetition, think how many way it can do repetition, divide by that, answer will come. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Order important, how to know in the question? If there is a human to receive the group, order important. If there is no human to receive the group, order is not important. That's all. This is the only simple logic to identify. What we did grouping. For what grouping we did? For the case when the objects are what? Size is predefined. Size is predefined. So if size predefined, objects identical, answer 1. If size predefined, objects are different, this way will be done. Is it clear to everybody? Now, another situation, what can happen? Size is not predefined. Size is not predefined. Okay, question we'll do together after finishing that. Next case. Before writing the heading of next case, let me explain something. If I say A, 4 objects are there. If I simply say make 2 group, identical, are identical. If I say make 2 group, one contain 2 object, other contain 2 object, then you will say only one way. But if I simply say that ki make 2 group, will it be one way? If I did not decide the size of group, will it be one way or more than one? More than one, because then now the possibility maybe A here, this is the 3A. Maybe A here, this is the 2A. Are you able to understand? So anything like this situations can be happen. Maybe nothing is there and 4A is there. Maybe 0 object in one group, other group contain 4 objects. So here one problem. Here empty group also situation can come. In the previous cases, empty group situation was not there. But here it can happen or not. Are you able to understand? So what to do, how to solve? Can we apply something? Suppose this. I want to make 2 group. Think very carefully, everybody. 2 group. If you want to make, suppose some piles of vegetable is there in front of you. You have to make 2 group. What you will do? Practically think. One vegetable vendor is there, suppose in the shop. If he is having a lot of vegetable in front. He want to make 2 partition. How he used to do? He used to take one by one, or simply he put the hand like this and do this way. But if you want to make 2 partition, 2 group, so put your hand there and shift one side of the vegetable this side. Automatically 2 group will come or not. Not getting my point. Suppose I'm saying I have to make 3 group. I will put my hand like this. Something inside and something this side and separate like this. I'll push them. Not getting. If I have to make so many objects, so many identical objects I'm talking, so many. I want to make 2 partition. So I will put my hand like this. I'll say, okay, partition done. I got 2 group. This hand can be here. It may 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 be here also. Imagine if your hand is here, what is the meaning? One group 0 object and other group contain all the objects. Are you visualize the situation? If I say I want to make 2 partition, 3 group I want to make. 3 group. I will put my 2 hand like this. 3 partition done or not? It can be anywhere. If this situation, so one group contain 2 objects, other group contain 3 objects, other group contain 3 objects. If this part I will shift from here to here, somewhere here. What this? Leave it. This way. Now what happened? One group contain 2 objects, other group contain 5 objects, and other group contain 1 object. Yes or no? If I want to make 4 group, so I will make 3 partition. 3 hand is not there. Imagine 3 line I draw. If you want to make 4 group, how many line you will draw? 3 line. If you want to make 10 group, how many line you will draw? 9 lines. Not getting. If you want to make R groups, if you want to make R groups means what? R minus 1 lines, which is called as the partition, nothing else. Did you understand the point? Let's do practically one question. Suppose if I say I want to distribute this, I want to make, कितने हो गए? 3, 3, 7. I want to make 3 group. How many group? 3 group of this. Listen me very carefully, everybody stop writing. 3 group, okay. What I will do, 3 group means 2 partition needed. How many partition? 2 partition. This P is nothing but what? Partition. Right now 3 group is there or not? 1 group this, 1 group this, 1 group this. This P can come here, 1 group this, 1 group this. So basically, how many number of grouping? I will say just arrange them. Arrange them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 object. 9 factorial divided by arrangement I am doing. Divided by how many identical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial. 1, 2, 2 factorial. Maximum people did not understand what happened. When I put P and P like this, so one group is this, another group this, another group this. When this P will come here, here. So now this will be new group. 4 object, 2 object, 1 object. If this P will come here, that will be new grouping. 3 object, 1 object. Are you able to understand? So grouping means what? The shifting the position of P or not. Shifting position or interchanging P with A. Interchanging P with A means when we do interchange the object, what is the meaning? We are doing arrangement. So how many total objects are there, including P and A? So I will say 9 objects. 9 है ना? 3 to 5. 9 objects are there. 9 factorial way arrangement. But I know that ki interchanging of A and A will not give you anything. Divided by 7 factorial. I know that ki P and P interchanging will not give you anything different. Divided by 2 factorial. Did you understand the point? Not able to understand. Is it clear to all of you? Suppose, imagine, there is the n identical objects are there. There is the n identical objects. N identical objects. I want to make R groups. So n identical means how many A is there? A I am taking as object. N number. And I want R group. So how many P I will put? R minus 1P. R minus 1P. R minus 1P. So how many way we can arrange them? Total how many objects are there? N is the original objects and P minus 1, R minus 1 P object. Total how many objects? N plus R minus 1 factorial divided by N factorial into R. Why N factorial? Because they are interchanging. They are the identical object. So this value will be equal to, this is nothing but N plus R minus 1 C R minus 1. RCN, whatever you want to say. Cn also you can say. It's up to you. Yes or no? But here empty group can come or not? Yes, very much empty group can come. Anybody who did not understand this point? Is it clear to everybody? But practically you have to think. It's not, whatever the method I'm giving just practical life example. The idea of the partition I learned from the this vegetable shop vendor. Whenever I used to go to purchase something, he do simply put the hand and do like this. So that is what he is doing, grouping, nothing else. Although he don't know mathematics ABCD, but he taught to a mathematics teacher how to teach this point. So this is what the meaning of the grouping used to be there if size is not defined and objects are identical. So write down as a point. Number of grouping of n identical objects. Identical objects into R groups. Will be n plus R minus 1 Cn. N plus R minus 1 Cn. Or better way to write this way, number of distribution of, because here distribution grouping does not matter. Distribution of n identical objects into R group will be this if empty group allowed. If empty group allowed means there may be chance that some empty group also can come. So this is the total number of possibility. Is it clear to everybody? Second situation is very bad. If empty group not allowed, then what will be answer? Meaning able to understand? Means if suppose A, I want to make 2 group or 3 group, so your P can be here, P can be here, yeah, but this P cannot come here. Because if this P means partition, P will come here, then one group will contain 0 object, which is not possible. And this P cannot come here also. Why? If this P is coming, the first group will contain 1 object, second group contains 0 object, and third group contains rest objects. Suppose if I write like this, P means able to understand. Some people are looking here and there. P means just simply a line. A. What is the meaning? कि first group contain 1 object, second group contain 0 object, and third group contain your 5 objects, which is not possible. Yes or no? So, how to arrange this? That is your homework and you have to give me answer. Think over it. Spend half an hour time, 1 hour time, no problem. But think how to arrange it and how to fix it. And once you get it, send me the detailed method of that. Final answer. Okay? And you can verify your answer by taking some example. Ki suppose 4 identical, all are identical object. 4 object, 2 group. Just check it. Ki your answer, whatever answer in term of N and R you are getting, that is satisfying or not. I am not giving the answer because if I will give the answer, you will get a chalo theek hai, I will give the answer. Then also if you get that. N minus 1, CR minus 1. This is the answer. But this derivation I want. And you can do. It's a pure arrangement. Is it clear? So derive it and send to me, and in the next class we will be continuing with the problem of this. One more case I have to do. After that, only problems will do. So your grouping will be done. Okay. So we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you very much.